Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today, and today I'm going to be unboxing and showing you what I received from a company called Craft Ease. They have sent me a painting by numbers kit, and let's look at what's in this package. So I really like the package, how it came. It's quite a secure box, so no damages to the packaging, and I received it within I'd say 2.5 weeks of ordering it. So there's the box, and it says Craft Ease, paint by numbers, and I must say it's a very impressive packaging. Ooh, and it's already on a canvas. It's already mounted on a board. Yeah, that's amazing. So I don't need to do anything more to this, just paint it. Also, let's see what came in the kit. Also comes with some instructions here, how to start. Keep in mind, turn your Craft Ease box into your own easel, which is great because you can use this as an easel. Oh wow, so you got all these lovely sizes of paint brushes. Got a reference sheet, and I guess you can place your paint pots in here. A little color chart, I guess. Thank you thank you card. And here are the colors, the paint pots that we're going to use, with some more paint brushes, and I guess some stickers to put your numbers on, because the numbers are not on there. Well, they are, but I guess you can put your own reference numbers on there as well to simplify them, because they are in bigger digits. Okay, so this is the color chart, and it tells you what number goes with what color, and then what you do is, because this is like 916 is number 3, so you take your number 3 from here and you place it on the 916 here. So I guess that's how you have to do the color coding, and then you start off your painting. So yeah, this is really different from my last painting by numbers, because this kind of like gives you a nice box that you can use as your easel. It gives you, they've given me a brand new set of paint brushes, and they've given me some more paint brushes around here, which are really nice and small to use on the painting itself, because they are very small little places to fill. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll keep you posted on how I get along with this painting, but I will link everything down below, so please do check them out. They're called Craft Ease, and they're very friendly and great service. And yeah, let me know what you think, guys. Take care for now. Bye.
These paint pots might seem really tiny, and you might feel that there's not enough paint to cover the whole painting, but trust me, I've used this quite a lot, and I would say they are just enough for your whole painting. The advice that I'd give you is that don't water them down, because they become a bit transparent, so you'd need a second coat. Some paints did need that, but that's okay. I mean, there's enough paint. So this is the easel, the box that turned into an easel, and I think it's a fantastic idea to have a secure box to hold your painting, and I just love the idea. So here is my finished piece of painting by numbers. It was really challenging to do, I'd say, because some of the numbers were really tiny, but I managed to use my reading glasses and get the right colors in the right boxes. So let me know what you guys thought of this paint by numbers, and I really recommend it. It's so therapeutic and always so lovely to do this, because you know you're going to get a great result in the end. Thanks a lot guys again for watching, and until my next video, I'll see you later. Bye.